Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? And before anything else, I would like to greet a happy Father's Day to all the great dads out there, especially to my husband, to my brother, and to my brother-in-laws, and to all the great dads out there. Happy Father's Day to all of you guys. Today I'm going to share with you something different and something healthy. As you can see, I have here healthy stuff. Look at this. Vitamins. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe that I've been making for my family all these years. So I'm going to start with the ingredients. I have here cucumber, spinach, celery, orange, pineapple, apple, and a little bit of turmeric. So let's start with a handful of spinach. And half of an apple. And one slice of pineapple. Then we have here half of an orange, cucumber, tiny slices of cucumber, and then one stick of celery. Oops. And then 8 ounces of water. So it's up to you guys to adjust. If you want more vegetables, you can use more vegetables. But if you're just beginning with the recipe, you just started with this, so you can use more fruits. And this, now I'm gonna add this half a teaspoon, sorry, of turmeric. Don't worry, you won't really taste the turmeric in your smoothie. Okay, now I'm gonna... Now it's time to blend it. So we are making 2 servings of the smoothie. There you go, this is ready. So to make this more appealing, let me add my mint leaves here. I have mint leaves on here. There you go. Look fancier. So there you have it, our healthy and delicious smoothie. So if you're just starting out with this recipe, I recommend you using more fruits and less vegetables. But as you go along, you can use more vegetables and less fruits. You can switch it with other vegetables as well, depending on the availability in your market and in your refrigerator. So there you have it. I hope you like my recipe today. And let me know if you've tried this at home, and comment down below and tell me how it is. Bye! Till next time!